So it'll change in frankly, a number of different ways. It will change from a market structure perspective, it'll change from a technology perspective, and those will both result in the utility business model, utility strategies needing to change. So thinking about from a technology perspective, as solar continues to come down in cost, that will only increase pressure to find ways to cost effectively integrate more and more solar into the portfolio. And people talk a lot about energy storage as being the solution for that, but there's lots of other technologies that are already economic today that may be useful in providing the capability of integrating solar. On the bulk power system, we're talking about larger balancing areas. We're talking about making sure we use resources that can be capacity or flexibility resources in that highest and best use case. On the distribution system, we're talking about using technologies like demand response, load shifting, both behavioral and technological, to help before we start getting into the need for high penetrations of energy storage. From a market design perspective, again, on the bulk power system, we're going to see increasing pressure to think about capacity markets and capacity market reform to ensure that we have those backup technologies available, properly incentivized on the power system for solar for when it's not sunny. And on the distribution scale, we're going to be thinking more and more about rate reform in different ways. As solar becomes cost-effective, increasingly cost-effective, net energy metering will become less and less of an issue, but utilities will find that solar penetration will continue to increase. And so understanding how to get a rate structure right that can manage that cost-effective solar is going to continue to be a challenge, but will be an important priority, of course. And then finally, those challenges together will result in the need for utilities to think very seriously about what their business strategy is going to be in the long term. Are they going to continue to be primarily the integrator of resources? Are they going to be the provider of equipment into their consumers? Are they going to be providers of financing for consumer-sided distributed energy resources such as solar? So there's going to be a lot of pretty fundamental shifts that are going to occur. Solar is going to reveal, or increasingly cost-effective solar is going to reveal slight market imperfections today that will be increasingly larger and larger and will have to be addressed going forward.